How are you, friends? Back again. Weekly analysis of the gold. Let's see how the next week can be. This week was bullish. Last to last week closed with no top wick, but maybe the next week can cross the highs. Yeah, seriously, it can cross the highs because the Indian gold market given all-time high breakout. If you want to see here, you can see here all-time high breakout दे चुका है, and the next week of the gold can also give the all-time highs breakout. So I'm expecting a green candle for next week. This week closed green candle. I was expecting this week to close red candle because of the no top wick at the last to last week. So we will be planning for buys because the day candle, if you look the day candle, there is no range between this zone. Whenever the candle given a closing above these highs, it tapped the next highs. So if there is a trend line going on or not. I don't think so. There is any trend line going on by which the market can reject. So there is higher probability next week will be a green candle. So this type of candle will be there, but we will be expecting a good bottom wick. Then only go for buys. If the week start with a bottom wick, try to take some buy trades rather going for sell trades because at left everything is looking good bullish. Everything is looking good bullish. If you see this thing, I told you in the last week we need to wait for this week, and then this week will be confirmation for the next week buys. So this week, given a good bull closing, next week we should taking buys, and only buys until it tap this resistance zone. If it tap the resistance zone on Monday, don't expect the market to carry forward because one, two, three, four. This is the fifth time market will be touching the resistance. We don't know it will cross the resistance or it will take the resistance. We will be waiting because we will not be buying on in the first breakout. We will be waiting for the market to retest, then go for buys again. Okay. So just wait for the confirmation. But until this zone is tapped, kindly take only buys. Don't take any sells until the market comes and close below this zone, below this support zone 3350. 3350 के below close करता है तो ही sell देखेंगे. Until then we will look for only buys because you see here market, whenever the market given the closing above here, it drived up. See this, last time market took the resistance around this area, so we will see at least this step, at least this tap will be seeing. And next week we have some newses also, so the market can push up during the newses, but we will not take any trades in the newses. So we have to wait for the news to come, and negative news probably because the Trump is placing some tariff and all in all the countries. So the gold market is going bullish because of that. Because as you know, the gold is a very non-securitable asset, so that's why the gold prices are pumping up. Next week we have on 12th Tuesday we have CPI numbers, and on Wednesday we don't have anything. On Thursday we have PPI numbers. I think Thursday will be the breakout, and Friday we have core retail sales and consumer sentiments. So on Tuesday we have CPI, and on Thursday we have PPI, and on Friday we have consumer sentiments number. So we will be watching throughout the week. Next week can be easy a breakout week. Okay, so we are focusing only for buy trades for next week. I am anticipating there will be a green candle after it got the bottom wick. We don't know the next week will be closing above here or below here, or it can take the resistance, but at least the tapping of the resistance is 90% sure. So see you guys in the next weekly analysis. Don't take any sells until the market give any closing below this level. 3350 के नीचे ही क्लोजिंग आएगी तभी हम सेल्स के लिए देखेंगे. Until that, go for buys. See you guys in the next video. Peace off.